Welcome to BN School and College Khulna, and again welcome to online class of BN School and College Khulna. I am SM Shihabuddin, Assistant Professor English of BN School and College Khulna. Today my lecture will be on pronoun reference of SSC class first year and second year. It is from the second paper of English. Again, I am welcoming all students to join my class, please. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Firstly, I would like to give you some information about pronoun reference. Number one, knowing the pronouns positively. That means you have to know the pronouns. You have to understand the pronouns. Who is what's are pronouns? You should know. If you don't have sufficient knowledge about pronouns, it will be difficult for you to understand the pronoun difference. Second information, that is, we have to clear the unclear pronouns. That means there will be a passage, and in the passage there will be some pronouns and they will be unclear, and we have to clear the unclear pronouns, and we have to clear the unclear pronouns by nouns. That is, unclear pronouns will be replaced by nouns. And number four, answer by rewriting the passage. That is, you have to rewrite the passage on your answer script, and then replaced nouns will be underlined. That is, you have to underline the nouns which you have replaced in the place of your unclear pronouns. So our information, 5 information here. One, you have to know the pronouns, then we have to clear the unclear pronouns, and unclear pronouns will be replaced by nouns, and then we have to answer by rewriting the passage, and replaced noun will be underlined. Let us go to the next slide. Here I have given you some pronouns, examples of pronouns. Here you can see on the screen I, we, you, they, he, she, me, us. In this way, all are here. They are the examples of pronouns. We know there are 8 kinds of pronouns. There are 8 kinds of pronouns. First, I, we, you, they, he, she. They are the personal pronouns. Then objective pronouns. Then relative pronouns, then possessive pronouns, reciprocal pronouns. There are so many. That is, there are 8 kinds of pronouns. When you started your life, education of life, and in class 2, 3, 4, you should know the kinds of pronouns. So these are the examples of pronouns. I have given the pronouns, examples of pronouns, so that you may have some knowledge about pronouns. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Here is the example. How the question, in the question paper, how your passage will be. This is your passage. This is your passage. Once a rich man bought a necklace and a ring for his wife, but it was lost one day, so she was very upset. In the meantime, some servants left the house. He suspected that he might steal it. In this way, you have to go through the passage. And here, you find some words. They are red marked. That is, they are the examples of pronouns. It, she, he, it, they, him. They are the examples of pronouns. Now, why they are red marked? because they are unclear. If you go through the passage, you must know, you must understand that these red marked pronouns are unclear. That is, you have no clear idea about the pronouns. If you read out the passage thoroughly, you may understand. I have given it red marked, but in your question paper, there will be no marked, no underlined. Just you have to understand reading the passage, understanding the meaning of the passage, that which pronouns are unclear. Okay, I may make you understand. Once a rich man bought a necklace and a ring for his wife. Good. From here, we understand that a rich man bought a necklace, two things. He bought two things, a necklace and a ring for his wife. In the second line, second sentence, but it was lost one day. This it is vital. We cannot understand what is lost, whether necklace or ring. This it is unclear here. And we have to clear the this it by the noun. Then, so she was very upset. This she, it is vital, it is important. She, who is the she? In this way, these red marked pronouns are unclear. And we have to clear. And if you go through the passage thoroughly, at last you can understand and you can clear the pronouns and you can understand who is the it, what is the it. If you go through the passage, you may understand. Okay. Next, we go to the next slide. Here, I have made it clear how to replace the unclear pronouns. From the passage, if we go through the passage till the last, we could understand that it, here the it is the ring, and she means the wife, and then third he means the rich man, then he means one of the servants, and it means the ring, he, the rich man, he means the thief, and it means the court, and he means the suspected servant, and they means the servants. From the previous passage, if you go through the passage, you may understand it. You may understand the full thing, the whole thing you can understand. Again, the ring, it will be clear if you go through the previous passage, that is our previous slide. But this way that I have written here, it is not the answer how you will answer. It is not the real path how you will answer. The answer is in the next slide. Please. This is the system of answering the pronoun difference. Answer as in the question paper. That is, you have to answer in this way. Once a rich man bought a necklace and a ring for his wife, but the ring was lost on him. You can recollect that in the passage the ring was not there. Here, you know, here it was it. Now I have replaced the it by using the ring because the it was the unclear, and we have made it clear by giving here the ring. Then you know, here the word was she. Now she has been replaced by the wife, and you know, here the word was he, and it has been replaced by the rich man, and you know, here it was him. Him means one of the servants, because in the meantime some servants left the house. Everybody has not stolen the lost thing. Only one. So he suspected, the rich man suspected one of the servants. So him has been replaced by one of the servants. Then here, you know, here it was it. It has been replaced by the ring. The rich man lost a complaint against the thief. You know, here it was the he, and it has been replaced by the rich man, and against the thief to the court. That is, the case was against the thief actually. For this, here him, it has been replaced by the thief. And you know, here it was it. It has been replaced by the noun, the court. Then the suspected servant, that is the servant whom the rich man had suspected for the steal, he refused the complaint. But here it was they, and has been replaced by the servants. So from here, in this way you have to answer. In this way you have to answer, and in your question paper you will have no red ink, right? So you have to underline the words that you have replaced. That means the ring, it will be written right. You have to rewrite the passage, full passage, and you will replace all the unclear pronouns with nouns, and you have to underline it. The wife will be underlined, the ring will be underlined, the rich man will be underlined, one of the servants will be underlined. In this way, all the red marked will be underlined, and in this way you have to make the answer. Okay, actually our class is over. If you have any question, you may ask through our messenger, through our e-library, by our YouTube channel, as well as in my Facebook. And you can also phone me. Always my phone is open for you. You can phone me if you have any problem understanding the thing, that is the grammar we have discussed today. If you have any question, you may phone me. You are always welcome. Okay, thank you very much, students. You know, the world is facing the most serious crisis ever. Nobody ever seen this kind of crisis. So you know, life is very important, and life is one. So life should be given importance. For this, stay home and save lives. Thank you very much for watching my class. Again, thank you.